exactly what you get, and I'm going to show you how to install it later. So with the COMsole, we have done everything we can to do as much of the install possible, and that's what you get inside this box. So you've got your S4S intercom and your radio, and then we put the PTT and 2 of the cords on there for a 2-seater, but we also have packages to upgrade to the 4-seater based on how many selection of headsets you put in your cart. You also get a horizontal mount with 4 hose clamps, 2 of which are for the horizontal mount and 2 go into the COMsole. You get your choice of coax cable. Typically for a 2-seater you want the 7-foot, and for the 4-seater you want a 10-foot. You get your choice of headset. Those choices are a helmet headset, a behind the head headset, or our most popular over the head headset. All of which have the same speakers, same mic, it's just how they fit on your head. For example, here's your over the head headset. It's a typical, what you kind of see what the pilots wear. It goes over the top of your head. The behind the head headset has a little strap that goes over your head with this bar that goes behind your neck. So it allows you to have a shorty helmet if you need a shorty helmet. And then the helmet headset just goes up inside your existing helmet. It fits most helmets. It's got a boom mic on it that attaches to it. Like I said, again, all the same speakers, same mic. It's just how you prefer to wear your headset. You get a parts bag. Inside this parts bag's got all the hardware you're going to need for most machines. You're not going to use all of it. It just depends on which install you have. I'm going to show you the Polaris install for the first one, but we'll probably do other installs as well and show you how all this different hardware works and where to use it. You get your dual band antenna, and we have some upgradable options. Oh, and you also get a drill bit for drilling your hole as well for the 13/64 hole in your roof. We also have some upgradable options to do a cable kit. This cable kit will allow you to run the cables on the top without using, or straight down the center of your roof without having to use zip ties along the sides. And then you can also upgrade with some of these what we call a comfort package. These are little ear seals that go over the top of the headset, similar to what you got right here. So you can see they got an ear seal right here, and it can come off, and you can wash them. It also wicks away the sweat. So with the COMsole, you're going to notice when you unbox it, you've got multiple mounting holes. There's 4 in the front with 2 slots, and you've got 4 on each side with another slot. And these are various locations that you can mount to as you're putting on the COMsole. And we'll kind of explain that more in detail as we put it on the machines. But just a basic run through, you'll take hose clamps. For most machines, the hose clamp, this will rest on top of your roll bar, similar to my arm. And then the hose clamp will go over the top and then hook to the roll bar and clamp it down. And then what you'll do is you'll take one of our several length bolts we've got here. We've got different size bolts. We've got 80mm, 60mm, 45mm, and 12mm for when you want it right up against the ceiling. And basically you're going to drill a hole through the front, and you'll put the bolt through, and we've got different spacers to allow you to, and this will control the pitch of how far up and down you want that pitch of the COMsole to look inside your machine. Also, these slots for the X3 is you have a crossbar that runs down the center of the cage, close to your head. What you can do, or you can put this right up against the roll bar, so the roll bar's on top, and then this goes over the top of that roll bar and clamps down, and then you'll use one of the smaller bolts to bolt it up in the back to get your proper viewing angle as well.